Hi, I'm on a mission to turn this 2003 Volkswagen Polo into a supercar. My name is Andy and this is the A-Polo mission. So I already started the process by wrapping it in this beautiful midnight gold, and this was the biggest upgrade until now. If I want to transform this car into a supercar, I also have to give it a supercar performance. So that's why I decided that in this video I'm going to show you how I installed the coilover from Mts Technik on this beast. So this is how the car looked before, even before wrapping it. It was too high and really felt unsafe taking harsher corners, but everything is about to change. So what we're going to use is this beautiful coilover kit from Mts Technik for lowering the Polo and for the coilover setup. I didn't record the process in the front because the rain was absolutely horrible and we didn't manage to record on the front, but I'm going to explain to you what problems we had there. Here you go. So basically when we tried to remove the front strut, this bolt into the axle hub was absolutely completely rusted and had to replace it. It wouldn't budge at all, but somehow we managed it. And now in the back the process should be way easier. Like, we should just take the wheel off. Maybe you can see there the spring, it's not actually installed on the coilover itself. It's a very weird setup. I saw it on YouTube and the how the way it's placed. I don't know if it's like on all the cars because I actually have no idea, but yeah, this should take like way less. I think like 1 or 2 hours per each side. I really like how this car is turning out to be. I totally love how this beautiful Alcantara looks on the car. Like, bro, this is like one of the biggest upgrades on the car. We just have to like put the foam here to like replace it, to put, not replace, but to actually install, and it's going to be this color, like the same as here, just that we're going to put a foam and then we're going to put this and then install them, and then the whole interior. Like, I think the next episode it's either going to be with the door panels or with the dashboard, the whole dashboard. Like, we're going to take it out and we're going to wrap it in Alcantara. Wheel out. Fuck. So this is the old one. So exactly what I was telling you guys, like, this system looks very weird to me. It's not like in front, like the coilover and the spring on it. The spring, it's somehow attached like to the whole chassis. I haven't seen like this on the rear side. I don't know, let me know if you knew this or if it also seems weird to you, because I'm very interested. Perfect. Yes. Finally. We just needed Romanian methods here for it to work. It didn't want to work nicely, so yeah. So the difference is quite massive between these two, as you can see. So the installment of this thing was quite tricky because we thought that we just have to put it there, but apparently we had to disconnect the lower part and then to connect it somehow with a screw. Very interesting. How small it is, bro. Oh, dude, this is going to be so low and so nice. Like, I can't wait for the test drive, honestly. I want to see how it performs. So we mounted this on and we're just going to put the screws back, and I'm going to show it how it looked after, and then we're going to do on the other side, and that's it. I mean, it doesn't make sense to record the other side. It's like the same thing like here, but yeah. Okay, so what I can say from the first few minutes of driving it, it's that the handling, it's way better. Like, it is extremely improved. Taking the corners feels way smoother, less effort, and the ride just feels way more enjoyable. I can even say from the moment we installed the front ones, I felt slight difference like a 10%, I would say, 10-15% harsher. So that doesn't really bother me because it's not as noticeable. You even heard and saw that the car didn't really overreact. They are way smoother than I expected. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, I thought that this is going to become like a race car. But it's surprisingly smooth and surprisingly effective. This is like the best first real mod that I did on the car. It's like the first real performance upgrade, and I'm extremely happy with this. Like, there was I didn't feel like the car is not handling this. So as you've seen in the video, I took that corner. It wasn't very like harsh one, but it was a pretty decent one, I'm going to say. The car didn't feel like it's not going to handle it. It felt extremely stable, extremely on the ground, extremely like you would really expect after doing this type of modification. I'm extremely happy with the result. You can see actually how lower the car is now after installing also on the rear side. On the rear side I didn't measure, but I think it's like a difference again of like 3 centimeters or something like that. It looks as it should. Like, it's not too low and it's not too high for me, because I feel like if I would lower it, there will be pretty big chances that my car wouldn't deal good with the Romanian roads. So this was the whole process. It had some problems, but after all it went pretty smooth in my opinion. I consider that it's going to go way worse than I thought. What I can say from my own experience is that I did the biggest upgrade on the car after the wrap. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting that subscribe button and tell me what other modifications I should do on the car. Until next time. Bye!